Hello goddesses, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Toya Rey, and I am back with another video featuring Toya Rey hair care, my Moroccan Goddess Collection. In today's video, of course, we are using the Moroccan Silk Goddess, which is the silk serum from the collection, which is herbal infused with herbs such as ginger root, hibiscus, rosemary, amla, brahmi, burdock root, just to name a few, which offers great benefits for the hair and scalp. This herbal blend of herbs helps stimulate blood circulation and hair growth. It also repairs and strengthens the hair. The silk serum also contains argan oil, castor oil, hemp seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, jojoba oil, and meadowlark oil, which are all great properties for the hair and provide fatty omega acids to the hair. Keratin is also being provided for the hair and natural proteins. When I formulated the Moroccan Goddess Collection, I wanted to offer something more than just basic hair care. I really wanted to make sure that my goddesses' hair had exactly what it needed for their healthy hair journey. As you can already probably tell, the Moroccan Goddess Collection focuses on herbal hair care that helps repair, strengthen, and stimulate hair growth. We started this collection with two products. The Moroccan Silk Goddess, which is perfect for my goddesses who love to heat style, and then we also have the Moroccan Goddess Herbal Infused Hair Growth Oil for those who don't prefer to heat style but want the same wonderful benefits that's found in my Silk Goddess. And if you're wondering if this collection will eventually include a shampoo and conditioner, the answer is yes. That is currently being worked on and formulated for you guys. The Moroccan Goddess Collection is now available for pre-orders for a bundle deal for the Moroccan Silk Goddess and the Moroccan Goddess. Both products will be available on June 19th for individual purchase if you do not want the bundle deal. As always, goddesses, thank you so much for your support and watching my channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, let's get some shout outs done. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and get these shout outs done. I have quite a few to do, and because it's so many, I'm not going to put them up on the screen like I did the last time. I'm just going to read directly from my phone for the comments. And we'll start with brothers_85. They commented first with a bunch of smiley emojis and the heart and rose. Thank you so much, brothers_85, for being one of the first goddesses to comment on my video. Sharita said, great job as always. Thank you, my love. Autumn said, absolutely beautiful. I'm in Virginia for another week and I can't wait to get back home to Atlanta and get this hair done by you. Haven't trimmed in 2 years since cutting my locks. Girl, Miss Autumn, I cannot wait, okay? I cannot wait to meet you. I'm super excited. Haven't trimmed in 2 weeks. I'm quite sure it's going to be very, very, very beautiful. Marilyn says, beautiful. When will your goddess serum be available for purchase? It's available now in the bundle deal. You can get the Moroccan Silk Goddess and the Moroccan Goddess. The Silk Goddess is for heat styling, still herbal infused, and the Moroccan Goddess is a herbal infused oil that will stimulate hair growth and still repair and strengthen your hair as well. If you want to purchase those individually, as I said before, then that you will be able to do so on Saturday, June 19th. Okay, so if you pre-order a bundle, you'll save 20% off. There's no discount code needed. And if you want to purchase individually, you'll save 15% off on Saturday, June 19th. Miss Judy, hey Judy girl, thanks so much for commenting again. I mean, you cut off all that damaged hair. Her hair looks so healthy, thick, and full now. That experimental color highlights it so nice too. Yes, her hair came out absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to do an update video on her. Thank you so much. Miss Mary says, Hey Toya, I love the way you made sure that the client's hair was infused with what is needed. Super fantastic job. Have a blessed week. Thank you so much, my love. You have a blessed week as well. And Miss Mary also left another comment. She says, Toya, always remember, keep your head up and press towards the mark. You are simply a perfectionist, and don't forget it. You soar. Now, y'all, that comment right there, and I really appreciate all my goddesses who comment on my videos and everyone who talk to me. But Miss Mary, thank you. And I'm not just gonna go into a long story because this is not what this video is about. But I am a person who suffers from depression, and I've kind of been going through it a little bit lately. So I'm trying to stay focused on positive things and the positive things that I have going on. So thank you so much for those encouraging words. I really do appreciate it. As always, you guys know that I love you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel and you click that notification bell and like button. So stumbling over my words now that I gotten all the important information out to make sure it was perfect so you guys knew about the Moroccan Goddess Collection. But all of my day ones know that, you know, I don't like to edit out, you know, my mistakes and my flaws and all, because I'm not perfect. I don't try to be like super perfect. I make mistakes, especially when I'm talking. So yeah, that's just what it is. But thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. Your support for watching my channel, your support for purchasing my product. Thank you. You guys just don't know, you know, how much it means to me to have someone believe in me and believe in my product and believe in my craft and what I do. Now that I'm done with all of the mushy stuff, let's get back into this hair. So you guys can see just how beautiful her hair is coming out. And yes, she is due for a trim, but you can't even tell that she's due for a trim after styling. You can't even tell. So I'm just giving her a slight bump because baby girl had a photo shoot that she was getting her hair done for. So her mom wanted, you know, more of a little bump to her hair. Usually she wears her hair bone straight. And that's what we're doing here. Is, you know, just curling it up, making sure she good for her photo shoot. Look at the shine on her hair, guys. Her hair is flourishing. If you remember, I featured her on a live video, and she was like one of the first videos that I did at the beginning of the year. Well, that video is titled "We're Only Doing Healthy Hair in 2021," and I'll link that in this video for you guys to watch. She's come a long way. Her hair is coming in nice and healthy. Her curl pattern is coming back. We're growing it out. As I've always said, you know, everybody don't want to cut off all their hair to get back to their curl pattern, and that's completely fine. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm gonna stop talking now. I've been talking through this whole video to you guys. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do more voiceovers, or you want me to mix it up where you just watch me work and then some videos I do voiceovers. Let me know. Okay, guys? So love you always. Have a good one, and until the next time. Her hair came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at there. Boom. Ha ha. I love it. Peace out.